Welcome to part 3 of a small 4-part series meant to show you how you can combine different functions together and make your worksheets a little bit more dynamic. In part 1, we talked through index and how index can return the value of a cell based off specific row and column coordinates. The downside being you needed to know what those coordinates were. In part 2, we talked through match and how the match function can determine the specific location of a value based off of a given range. Now we're going to combine them using the match function to determine the specific row and column needed in our index function. In this example, the function is going to be index, open parentheses, highlight your array, comma, now we need to determine the row. We're going to use the match function. It's match, we're going to select Big League Chew, comma, the range, comma, 0 for exact match, comma. Now we're going to add the match function for the column. Same function, it's just match, select flavor in this example, comma, your header row, column 0 for exact, close parentheses, close parentheses. We're done with the function. Now, as you update that brand or as you update flavor to maybe being another column header, that function's gonna update, allowing you to choose what you wanna look for when you're looking at the spreadsheet. You can look at sales, you can look at unit price, you can change your brand. Again, adding some of that functionality and dynamic nature to your worksheet.